On Saturn, with a magnifier, welcome to Saturnifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. Hello, dear. How are you?
Hi, great, thanks.
Let's get started. Are you ready?
Of course, let's go.
What's your first name?
My first name is Ellie.
How do you spell it?
E-double-L-I-E.
What's your last name?
My last name is Foster.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Where are you from, Ellie?
I'm from the USA. I come from New York State.
So, what's your nationality?
American. I am American.
Right. Where do you live?
I live in Middletown.
Okay. What do you do?
What do I do?
Yes. Are you a teacher, a doctor, or...
Oh, yeah, I'm a student.
Yes, you are. Well, the last question. Do you have any brothers and sisters?
Yes, I do. I have an older brother and a younger sister.
Cool. Good for you. Now, it's your turn. Answer the questions. What's your first name? How do you spell it? What's your last name? How old are you? Where are you from? What's your nationality? Where do you live? What do you do? Do you have any brothers and sisters? Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.